Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to clean your Nissan Patrol key fob. Okay, Nissan Patrol key fob. So we opened it already, and now I'm gonna cleaning it and replace the battery later. Okay, so right now we have to do is clean it. Yes. This is the battery. If you can see, this is together with the key. You can see this, the use of this little pin. This is used to open the key fob. That's the battery. It's a Sony CR2025. Clean it. Okay. Then we return it. The positive side must be here, right here, like that. Okay. And this one good. So this is the rubber. Check if you missed some dirty part. Okay, then return this one there. You can find it. So there you go. Next is this one. You need to clean a little, but don't put heavy force. Just slowly clean. Check if you find some any unnecessary, because our Nissan Patrol won't start. That's why I check the key fob. Maybe it's not working. I will try this one first. If this one will not work, it means to say we need to change the battery. So let's try it step by step. Okay, there we go. We'll return this one like this. See? Hold it like this. Return this one. Mostly the connectors, so must be clean. So this connector must be clean also. Then if you want, you move a little like this so that it will connect to the terminal. That only little. Pull up a little of the terminal. Then return this one like this. See, this one going like this because it goes to the terminal here. Terminal is going here. As you can see there. So let's return over there. just goes like that. Then the next thing that we're gonna need to do is so there's a lock in here. No, my mistake, sorry. Just leave this one there, return this one here. As you can see, this is the front side where the key are located. So let's return this one like this. This at the back to the battery. So return this one first, like that. Okay, and it's fixed now. Then return, cover it like this. Then you can hear this sound for locking it. So let's go. Lock. Lock. It's lock. There you go. Okay. Hear the sound. And also there a little. Also this one, so it's totally cleaned. Okay, so you can see guys, we have key like this. You can use this one to enter the doors. If you cannot open the doors of a Nissan Patrol or any car, you try to find if it has a secret key like this. Mostly new models key fob are like this. So return this key there. Here you go. Then it's locked. That's it. If you want to return, remove the key, you just press lock here. As you can see this lock. This one, can you see it? Just move it like that and pull the key. Here it's better like this. See? Can you see it? Like this, and pull the key. Okay? Then if you want to return it, just return it. Okay. That's the Nissan Patrol. Also we have the key here for Mercedes. As you can see, it's a key fob also with a key hidden here like this. If you can see this one, just turn it like this and ta-da! Here's the key. This key, you can use this one to enter the car if the key fob is not working. Okay, if the battery is dead, we will have a tutorial also on how to change the battery of this. Also this one, we have this, it's a normal key. We have also this for the GMC. Let's clean it all. That's it for now. So thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Kindly subscribe, share, like or comment. Then watch out for more videos. Kindly click the bell button so that you are notified when I uploaded a new video. So that's it for today, guys. See you again for my next video. Bye.